What is the new inspection framework? Learners are at the heart of all we do at Estin. We are evolving our practices and inspection arrangements. After consulting widely and trialling new arrangements, we have made changes to how we inspect in maintained schools and pupil referral units. From September 2024, we'll engage more regularly with schools and pupil referral units, conducting a core inspection and an interim visit. This more regular engagement will support ongoing improvement. The core inspection will follow our latest What We Inspect guidance and will focus on 3 inspection areas. 1. Teaching and learning. 2. Well-being, care, support and guidance. 3. Leading and improving. We will continue to include a nominee, peer and lay inspector as part of our core inspection team. After the core inspection, we'll publish a report which will show the strengths and areas for improvement. A separate report will be published for parents. The reports will not include a summative grading. The interim visit will focus on a few recommendations from the school or pupil referral unit's inspection report or their current development plan. The visit will result in feedback to leaders and a short published report. This will help us to promote more regular feedback on what's going well and what needs to improve. The changes to the way we inspect streamlines our approach with a view to aligning our inspections and providers' internal evaluation, as well as driving improvement in the system. To learn more, please visit our website, estin.gov.wales.